Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And we are on day four of couponing and saving. So, guys, I actually only did one haul today. And I know a lot of sales start um, today, a lot of new markdowns and things, but I'm just having a problem with this cold and going out, and I just can't seem to manage to get myself out in these stores with the cold. But I did do one deal today, so I'm going to share that with you. So let's get right into it. So I finally used these coupons, and to be honest with you guys, the coupons that are in this P&G Saver are the same coupons that are on a lot of the apps, your digital coupons. So instead of using my actual paper coupons, I took the time to use my digital coupons, and then I'm going to use the paper coupons somewhere else. So I'm going to show you the digital coupons, but mind you, those digital coupons are the same coupons as the ones in the paper. And again, for those of you who are looking to purchase these coupons, most likely in my next video, I will have all the information for you. The ferry that I am going to refer you guys to just got the coupons, I think on Friday or Saturday. And then she has even more coming. So she wants to have an accurate count to give to me so you guys know exactly what is available for sale. So when I give you guys the information, you can go full force and get your coupons. And don't worry, these coupons don't expire to the end of February. So you guys have plenty of time to take advantage of any deals. So the first item that I got was Tide Liquid. So what I did is I went to Giant Food Stores. Giant is what it's really called. I always add food store onto it, but it's Giant. And for those of you who don't have Giant in your area, check to see if you have their affiliate stores, which are Stop and Shop and Martin's. Those two stores and Giant are all affiliates of one another. So 9 times out of 10, the same sales and promotions that I'm showing you for Giant are also at Shop and Stop and Martin's, along with the clearance items too. So I know I was speaking to a young lady in New York, and they have a Giant and a Shop and Stop there. But please don't get Giant confused with Giant Eagle. They are two totally separate stores, okay? So right now at Giant, they have a deal where if you buy 3 P&G products, you get $15 off instantly. And they are certain P&G products. They're not all P&G products. And it's normally the ones that are the bigger size, the more expensive ones. So when you purchase 3, you automatically get $3 off instantly on top of using any digital coupons or paper coupons. So I use the digital coupons. So you can see here that I got this Tide. And you don't have to get this scent Tide. You can get any of the scented Tides that attach to this coupon. And if you're not sure if the digital coupon attaches, all you have to do is go into your Giant app and scan the Tide or product into the app, and it'll show you all the coupons that attach. Just make sure that you also see, besides the coupon, that you see the instant savings that says buy 3, save $15 instantly. So this Tide is regularly $22.99, but it's on sale for $19.99. So that's still a good deal by saving $3 without even using any coupons, right? But then you want to also clip this digital coupon, which is an additional $3 that you're going to save on top of the $15 instantly. So I grabbed this Tide liquid. So this is one. Then I grabbed this Tide pod. And again, with the Tide pod and the Tide liquid, you do not have to get the same scent that I got. You can get whichever one that you want to get. But the Tide pod that I grabbed is a 45 extra large count, and it was regularly $22.99. But again, this is on sale also for $19.99. And there's a $3 digital coupon that attaches to that. And when I scanned it in my app, also the buy 3, save 15 instantly came off. Now, if you are using the paper coupons, then they don't have separate coupons for the pods and separate coupons for the liquid like the digital coupons do in the Giant app. So what you would have to do is use 2 of these if you're going to do the same deal as I did. So you're going to have to use one of them for the Tide liquid and one of them for the Tide pods. But in the app, they are 2 different coupons. So I really like that. And then for my third item, I grabbed some Bounce dryer sheets. And I grabbed the big pack. It is regularly $12.99. And that's how much it was. No, excuse me. It's regularly $14.69. It's on sale for $12.99. And it has a $3 digital coupon for that. Okay. And in the pack, it's called a multi-pack, as you can see. So it's 3 big boxes. So for those of you who do bundles and baskets, or you want to buy them and give them to other people or resell them, there are 3 individual packs. So that makes it really easy. Or if you don't want to open a big pack and have all your scent, go away over time, that makes it easy because all 3 of them is 3 of them packaged together, but they're 3 separate boxes. So I really like that. So my total with tax, and you guys know that everyone's tax is going to vary from one place to another, but especially from state to state. So I paid a total of $1.74 in tax. So after the $3 coupons, so that was $9 off, plus the $15 instantly, that is a total of $24 that I saved, not including the markdowns, the weekly markdown. We're just talking the coupons and the instant savings. So with that all together and with tax, my $1.74, my total was $30.71. That is excellent, especially being that the Tide Power Pods were regularly $22.99, which round that up to $23. And the liquid was regularly $23. So really, it's like I paid for the liquid and got the other 2 free, or I paid for the pods and got the other 2 free. So I'm absolutely happy with that. But guys, to add on to this savings and make this deal even better, I'm going to show you how to submit your receipt to a rebate app, or it's actually not an app, a rebate site, so that you can actually get a Visa gift card for what you spent. So if you go to pgbrandsaver.com, and I'm going to put this up in the video, they have a rebate where if you spend $20, then you get $5 back. That $20 has to be after all coupons and all instant savings and sale prices. So if you do this deal exactly the way I did it, you would have spent $28.26. So that will qualify for you to get a $5 rebate. And the rebate that they give you is a Visa gift card. I do this all the time. And I use those gift cards as gifts and prizes. I use them for gas. If I just want to grab some lunch on the go, things like that. But if you add that $5 gift card into the $30 that you spent, then now you've only spent $25 on 3 huge P&G products. So I think that is an excellent deal. The only thing with this P&G deal is, oh, wait a minute. Offer valid for products purchased 11/1. Oh, well, this deal is no longer. Let me see if they have another deal, another rebate. I apologize, guys. Let's see. Yes. So they have an NFL rebate going on, and it's the same deal. Okay. So this one is, so when you go on the site, you're just going to scroll down a little more. It's called the NFL rebate. Score big. This is what it looks like. Okay. So when you spend $20, you're going to get a $5 Visa gift card. And it is for products purchased from January 2nd, 2026 through February 28th, 2026. So the rebate goes for as long as these coupons go. So that's perfect. But you have to submit your rebate by March 14th. So you have plenty of time. But the only thing that I don't like about these rebates is that it's only one per household. One per household. So because I know I do so many deals, what I do is I submit my one for me. And then I have my friends and my family sign up and have them submit. So then they're always getting little gift cards from me, whether it's $5, $10. And I don't care that I'm not getting the gift card, but at least it's something or some way that I can help out a friend or a family member, a godchild, or someone that's very special and dear to me. So I just wanted to tell you guys about that so that you can add on that extra savings. So that is basically my savings for today. Hopefully it warms up a little more and I can go out tomorrow and do some more things. But again, remember, don't forget that Christmas markdowns come down even further as of today at a lot of the stores. So check them out. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. And until the next time, keep on saving.